Go! Who's got the screwdriver? You got it.
I need my wife for that. Something I know nothing about.
We can search for Ikea number 2.
Where was this broken?
This needs to be pure enjoyment.
That's a screwdriver, I think.
To put it in like this.
But we don't know what we're building.
This one.
But there is one more missing. The wooden is missing. Organizer, there is one more wooden missing. One is broken and...
But we don't understand what we're building. You're doing well, Dani. One piece. That one.
Going really well from the beginning.
Okay.
Screw it quickly. You are touching my now. Thank you. Hey, wait.
We are done. This is the perfect. Now we just need some books.
It's not in.
Wait.
No, two are done. Look at the two.
Too big
Too big.
and too small.
Too small. We give up.
The holes are too small.
It's not going in, I think.
Let's try the other. No, but it doesn't go in. But it's the right bolt.
Good.
Good.
Thank you.